over the months that I've been fortunate enough to meet more and more people how important the culture and the family is. And you see the Somali community giving so much while so many hard things are going on at home. And the elders are getting, more disconnected from the youth, and the language is just such an important, rich part. To have this kind of project and a book to bring people together it's an amazing project. I hope the whole nation and the world learns from it, and I couldn't be more proud to be part of it than I am.
Good evening. My name is Andrew Lofton. I'm the Executive Director of the Seattle Housing Authority, and I'm here this evening just to welcome you to the family building here at New Holly.
I'm here representing the Housing Authority because a lot of the residents who live here in our property, they're the ones who were actually working to put the book together. And I am extremely proud and I feel humbled to be part of this ceremony. The accomplishment of this book for Somali youth is one that I think we will treasure for many, many, many years.
My name is Amy Twaito, and I am the Informal Learning Program Manager at the Seattle Public Library. And I am so thrilled to be here tonight to debut the first of its kind community-created alphabet book here in Seattle. I think it's probably one of the first of its kind in the whole world. And we were thrilled to work with Somali Family Safety Task Force, Seattle Housing Authority, Seattle Public Schools to come together with the community and engage with them on a project that they were very excited to do together, which was to create this book totally from the community. And it helps fill a niche for the library because we don't have a lot of Somali books, and we have very few Somali children's books, which is so important for early literacy. So the library contacted Applewood Books, which is a printer here in the United States, and we also have a distribution deal with Ingram to distribute this book all over the U.S.
We helped sponsor the book. We had staff work with the Somali Family Task Force to bring the families together, to organize the meetings so that they could work together to develop the book. And we made space available for them to come and meet, and we provided some support for them to have it published.
Thank you, Mr. Lofton.
Thank you.
Good to meet you again.
My pleasure.
I'm hoping that we can do this again next summer, and we checked with the families. They all want to come back and do it, and other families in the community here in New Holly would also like to do it.
Walaalkay.
Walaashay.
You walaashay?
Yeah.
Aniga? Walaalka.
Walaalka.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay.
So now you say Galab accent.
Garaban accent. I'm learning. This is the beginning.
And qofkan waxa way waa Baro Wonder. Waxay ka shaqeysaa Seattle Public Library ka shaqeysaa. Waxa way saaxiib long time. Waan saaxiibnahay qof fiican waaye. Soomaalida jeceshahay. I'm saying Baro Wonder works at Seattle Public Library. She loves Somalis so much.
I do. It's true.
Thank you, Valerie. Good to meet you.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Garaban accent.
Baro Af-Soomaali.
Walaashay.